I decided to do environmental geography because I really wanted to leave a lasting impact on the Earth. In first year, you get a general overview, and then in second year and third year, you'll be able to specialise with the different modules you can choose. The ones that I like the most are the ecology side, because that's my favourite, and I also really like chemistry. Throughout the course, you'll have ample opportunities to go on different types of fieldwork that will put to practice the things that you've learned. One of the main skills that I've developed is my ability to work with different softwares like GIS, which is a mapping program that you'll use throughout the entirety of your course. Within the uni, you get lots of support, so you'll be able to talk to your personal tutor and a student mentor, and they'll both be able to help you with things within the course that you might be struggling with. I'll get the opportunity to study abroad in my third year. I'll be able to go to places like New Zealand, Australia, America, Hong Kong. After finishing the course, I'm hoping to go into lecturing and with research on the side, hopefully in something like environmental geography or ecology. Hi, I'm Ray. I'm from Kent and I'm currently a first year studying environmental geography at Cardiff University.